This is a used 2013 Chrysler 200. Powered by front-wheel drive, a 3.6-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and an automatic transmission. With fewer than 1,000 miles, this vehicle is like new. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include leather seats, heated seats, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, and auxiliary input, remote start, steering wheel controls, a premium sound system, premium rims, auto dimming mirrors. Safety was made a priority with these features: fog lights, curtain head airbags, side airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control. Be confident in your purchase with an AutoCheck Vehicle History Report, the industry's trusted vehicle history provider. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.